What's up, YouTube? New week, new opportunities, guys. Listen, it's time to get back to the money. But before we do that, I want to first say major salute to those of you that are new to the channel and to the Discord. I want to say welcome to the family. And first off, let's get ready to get busy this week, okay? Make sure you're in the Discord if you are not already, as well as like and subscribe. Check it out, guys. We got a jam-packed week, new opportunities on the horizon. I want to first kick things off by taking a look at SPY. It is currently sitting at 427.98, okay? It is very close to trying to test that 430 level. But listen, although that is our next target as a family, I want you guys to be patient en route to that level, okay? So it could do one of two things. It could pull back first before going to test that level, or straight out the gate, it can go and test that level. You have to be patient though, guys. So I want to put that on your radar. Again, it's been a phenomenal run thus far, and I want to make sure we continue to make money off of the moves in this particular play. Also, guys, I wanted to kind of highlight Apple for you. It is sitting at or near all-time 52-week high, okay? That being said, at 182.70, we're on the higher end of that range. So again, although a big company like this can continue to go higher, you have to understand a pullback is also inevitable, okay? What I want to kind of share with you guys is if we go out the last 3 months, okay, this is up 23%. And year to date, guys, this is up 44%. But this is the power of investing in quality companies and sticking through the storm, okay? Make that a word of the day, sticking through the storm, all right? When you invest in quality, when you can ride it out, when you have a long-term perspective and you can stick through the storm, guys, you can take part in 23% runs in 3 months, 44% runs in year-to-dates, double ups like we have in several of our other plays, okay? This is possible, but you have to make sure you got the right perspective. This is also why we say things like we don't really put money in a bank, because your money right now is probably earning 0.0001%, okay? Nothing, 1 penny a year. However, those of us that are investors, those of us that are long-term playing this thing out, we are always buying the dip. We are always buying stocks we know, we like, we love, and that we understand. We are always buying, understanding that the market is a vehicle that ultimately likes to go up. So when there is turmoil in the market, that is when you guys want to be doing the most buying, when your stocks is low, down, and or cheap, okay? Keep that as a reminder. Okay, guys, you already know I like to buy my stocks. I go shopping on Mondays and Fridays, okay? And so as I look around the landscape, there are a lot of plays that are already up, meaning they're up, they're running, they're up 23% like Apple. They're above where I'm willing to buy. I am a disciplined investor, and so I stick to my principles every single day. And in that particular case, check this out, guys. I have Altria sitting here, ticker symbol MO, sitting at $45.30. I like to get this under $47, $46, and at $45 is definitely a steal. 44 would even be better, okay? So one stock that will be on my radar to make sure I dollar cost average into and build it out. So when this is up 40, 50, 60, 70% like Apple and Nvidia and others, guys, you are reaping the benefits because you're doing the work now, okay? So sitting here, this will be one that will be added to and dollar cost average into on today as well as throughout this week if it remains at or below these levels, okay? You don't buy high around here. Anything you have, it's because you should have bought it when it was low, anticipating and believing that it was going to rise higher based on fundamentals, based on valuation, based on earnings reports, based on the company's continued growth, okay? That's what you want to be focused on. So Altria will be one that is on my radar. It was, look guys, it was up for the week, but I see levels like 43.85, okay? Now it wasn't there long, but guess what? I got a limit order set for that level. I have a limit buy order set for that level, okay? I see what right here, 4408, okay? I like those levels because from there to here, you get a 2% increase, okay? So we can do right by making sure we are buying when it's low, just like you guys are. If you bought SCHD, for example, under 70, when it takes off and you got a $69, $68 cost basis or lower, and then it runs to 71, 72 like last week, you guys see that bump in your portfolio. So I'm just putting that on you because this one will be a focal point for this week if it's at or below these levels, okay? And then guys, finally, Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, sitting at $34.67. This too, under $35. I love to go a little heavier in this. Under 40 is ideal, under 35 is a steal. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to be looking for opportunity to dollar cost average into this as well. Always trying to make sure my passive income and my dividend plays will allow me to live the life I want to live in my future life because of the work I did today, because of the work I did when they have down moments, because of the work I did when they were going through their storm, okay? And so listen, this is one that it don't have to be this, but the point is that what I'm trying to teach you guys today, if you have long-term holdings, dividend, or generating income assets, you want to be buying more of them when they are down and or low or at great valuations, cheap valuations, however you want to say it, so that you can reap the benefits. Because we were buying down here at 34, when this goes back to 40, when this goes back to 60, okay, if that happens, guys, not only do you get capital appreciation, but you get the dividend as well. Speaking of the dividend, they are facing fierce competition right now with Amazon talking about getting into the communication space, and you always have these things emerge, okay? So they took a dip last week and they were down again 25 cents. However, guys, what I want to be mindful of is pay attention to the dividend, whether or not it's sustainable, whether or not it's getting cut. You guys know I invest very disciplined, meaning stop losses, risk management, and I only sell stocks if the fundamentals change or if something drastically change, such as a dividend cut. So if for any reason this dividend gets cut, guess who's getting cut? Verizon, okay? Just like I had to do years ago with Wells Fargo, just like I had to do years ago with AT&T. If they do something counter to why I'm in the stock in the first place, they gotta go, okay? So with that being said, guys, keep that in mind. I will be making sure that I keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you guys informed if it actually goes down in that manner, okay? But with that being said, until that happens, I'm gonna keep buying. I'm gonna always be buying. I'm gonna buy the dip. I'm gonna buy when it's at or below my target levels, my buy zones, and I'm gonna ride it up as well as reap the benefits from the dividend payouts every 3 months. With that being said, guys, check it out. We got another phenomenal week on the horizon, and I want you to be locked, loaded, and ready to go. Do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Number 2, make sure you join us in the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. We will be knocking them out the park first thing this week, okay? We waste no time around here getting to the money and doing what it is we do. And so with that being said, I want to make sure you guys are ready to take advantage of the opportunities that is going to present itself today in this particular week in the market, okay? With that being said, if that sounds good to you, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.